Guys, here's the concept. So we'll go over some more basic stuff, okay? Now we go chart patterns, right? Chart patterns. Okay. The whole point of this right now, why I'm doing this for you guys, like this chart pattern stuff, right? This is the #1 trap absolutely every trader on the planet falls into in the beginning.
Why?
Because
why
look, I'll explain why. These patterns make sense. They do. Like, I love the head and shoulders. I don't like flag. I love wedges. I like head and shoulders. Triple top, triple bottom. I love those. I don't like the ascendings. I don't like. I'll explain why. So all these patterns make sense, right? But then we go to we see ideas, right? New people, look for answers on the internet. Okay, but then look,
people like me.
But here's the problem with these charts. This causes confusion, and I really want to explain this to you guys right now. We'll do with League of Legends term. Okay, you know League of Legends, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if you don't know, but okay, League of Legends. There's challengers all the way down to iron level players. Okay, here's how the market works. Here's the game. There's challenger, which is top 0.1%. That's challenger. That's hedge funds, institutions, whales. Okay, that's 0.1% are challengers. Next 1%. So like we're talking like top 2%, right? So next 1.9%. Those are like master to like grandmaster, like really good. So they're actually still making good money. And then there is the like diamond, which is like 10%. But then the funny thing about 10%, you know what happens? All these are graphs, right? All these are charts. Believe it or not, your life has a chart. Your life has a chart. I'm serious. Like, you know how when bad things happen, you're dumping, and then when good things happen, you keep pumping, right? And then so these things right here, what happens is, what was I saying? Before the life thing, what was I saying? Freaking hell. Anyway, on these patterns, why these patterns are so terrible is because you don't know what time frame they're looking at.
The time frame important, right?
It's hella important. It's the most important thing. Look, he's looking at a wedge. He's like in a shoulder.
But don't know the time frame, right?
What time frame are we looking at, guys? And he's looking at a double bottom. He's looking at a rising wedge. I don't know what he's looking at. And then there's like, everyone has a different time frame.
Right.
It just causes chaotic confusion. And then, because the more you do research, the more it actually makes sense. All these things make sense, so it causes confusion.
Yeah.
That's why it's like 51% long, 49% short.
Yeah.
It's so weird. That's how it works. And then all these lines are drawn, right? And then now he's looking on a global scale. So as a new trader, you're just like so confused.
Yeah. A lot of confusion. More research.
That's the point I was getting at. So the League of Legends thing. So that the top 10%, they consolidate. Their money consolidates. So if you start with, let's say $200.
Yeah, okay.
And then you're like top 10% of trader. You know what happens to you? Go to $30. So you're winning money. You're happy, right? The weirdest thing. Once you're at that $30, you drop that down to like 15. I don't know. It's the weirdest thing. So those are the guys that consolidate. Win, lose, win, lose. So they are making money because they take some profits, but they can't break that barrier. It's the weirdest thing. So that's like the top 10% of traders. The only like top 2% make real money. And then you know what happens? So after the top 10%, everybody, all of you guys are silver, bronze. That's just the trading game. All you guys are silver, bronze level. None of you are making money. That's why I'm saying, I promise. You know how like the top 10%, I just told you, it's like diamond and up, and then it just, there's no gold, platinum, emerald, none of that. It goes straight to silver and wood, bronze, whatever. That's reality.
For me, minus,
And then, so why are you guys paying for all these signals, doing so much research? I actually have this. I don't have the statistics, but I can get a chimpanzee. He will have better win rates than you guys. I'm dead serious. A chimpanzee has no emotion. If you just teach the chimpanzee, right? I'm being super serious right now. Hey chimp, here's red and green. What do you think is gonna come next? Chimp's gonna go. He's gonna have better win rate than you.
First instinct.
It's not even about first instinct. It's about you're confusing yourself.
I see.
It really is.
I see. Don't hesitate, right?
You can't hesitate. The funny thing is, I posted a thread on Reddit, and then one of the things was follow your instinct, and then the biggest example was the BTC weekly, right? And then I posted here. So on the weekly, when we dump like this, like super hard, so everyone saw the 49k before, right? But then we go up, and then we're dumping here, so everyone's like super scared. So around here, everyone was expecting 49k.
49k.
Yeah, right here. Everyone was expecting 49k. So everyone had long orders there. So let me ask you, if you're an institutional player, would you let people like me and you get free?
No. Do opposite.
So this is the stuff I'm talking about. So instead of everyone having sell orders or buy orders here, and everybody has sell orders at 70k. So what makes you think I'm trying to steal your money? The cool thing about the margin trading game, we're not fighting against the exchange. I'm fighting you. There's no edge. Okay, there's no edge. This is Texas Hold'em. Exchanges are only taking the rate.
I see.
It's purely up to you guys. It's free for all. That's why I'm starting this program. You know why? Because you guys keep getting screwed by these scammers. It's actually pissing me off. You guys get screwed by scammers. You guys do over research, and then you guys see all these influencers making money. And then the weird thing about this generation is like, why are you pocket watching so much? You guys are paying Discord chats to go in their Discord, right?
Yeah.
And then he's playing with the money you gave him, so he has no emotion because he knows knows he has hundreds of thousands every month.
Yeah.
That's why he's good at trading.
You got your money.
And then it's so terrible. It's actually terrible. So what I'm trying to say is the instinct thing actually makes sense because what I saw here, I actually posted on Reddit. I got receipts for everything. I said psychology. No one's gonna give you guys a free ride. But inverse Head and Shoulders is here. Look, low,
You're gonna tell
lower,
me
lower.
all about
So
psychology, right?
it's me versus you. You know how you have a friend that you know him so well? You can tell by the way he texts what he's thinking, right? It's just like that. We're the market. We're the market. And I'm gonna clean this shit up because we're the market. Because look, I just have to know how to detect people well. That's all it is. So I actually had buy orders at 54.5, not 49. But it did drop to 52, not 52.8 or something. But then I kept DCAing because I knew it's not gonna hit 40s. I just knew it. So it was like 53.7. And I sold it at like 58. I still held, of course, but no one holds like this. It's margin trading. You know? So like that's like the basic stuff. Just to get that out the way. Be vigilant. Never a chimp can trade better than you guys that are. I'm being super serious. I'm not even being mean. It's just factual. You guys have to hear facts because it's getting out of hand. Okay. And then if you're really this good, you should be at Wall Street or starting a hedge fund, not selling me signals, right?
You're gonna tell me like a hedge fund thing opposite
Not
people.
Not opposite because there are economic factors, right? Now here's some cool stuff that I'll share with you guys. Why I only trade crypto. So many reasons why. Crypto has a bad image, right? These meme coins, altcoins, whatever, is it gonna go up down? So the average intelligence level in crypto is so low. You understand?
Yeah.
And they're scared to lose money. You see all these. Why are all these wicks longer on the bottom, not on the top? Why is that? All you guys are getting stopped at and wrecked. When you stop out, because you go opposite. If you're going short, you know, and then you have a choice to buy at a cheaper price later. That's why you make money, right? But then why is it that every tail, the wick, is longer on the bottom, not at the top? All you guys are getting stopped out.
Yeah.
I'm dead serious.
Yeah.
Because why all the noobs go long? Like I just told you, you know, longs are slow, shorts are cliffs. You know, like this took how long? Look, how long does it take?
For me,
weeks, right?
me,
It's 2 weeks. Take it all out. Yeah.
It's very easy to DCA or like a collect and hold. I think easy, but long.
No. So when you're new to the game, I suggest you guys only do longs because it's a lot more safer and it saves you a lot more. You know, because shorts are really hard because it's such a short time.
Yeah.
It doesn't take long. You know.
As I see for the time frame.
Yeah. If people don't like the long, people are just gonna off the short. And you know what's
But your type, right?
Yeah, and then here's the funny thing. You know how I just told you guys about chimps, right? And then you know how I just told you it's short. But then as soon as it broke, I'm just okay. It's weird because I told you there's a high chance of deflection in 656. But I looked at it, it was 657 something. So it's it broke. Just go long. Look at that shit.
Then.
Let's just close. I know it's fake money, but just close it. I don't even want to look at charts until the tournament starts. So let's just close it. Then yeah, chimps will do better than the average person. I'm being super serious. I guarantee you the chimp will have like a 55% win rate.
Because they just choose